Welcome back everyone to another tips and tricks video for the PS5, where today I'm going to be showing you guys how to improve your internet or Wi-Fi connection on your new PlayStation 5. If you're someone who uses a Wi-Fi connection on your PS5, it's very possible that at some point you've experienced wireless disconnection or slow Wi-Fi performance. And this is actually a fairly common thing to happen. Now, most people would just tell you to simply switch to a wired connection, but there are actually a couple settings that you can change to help fix this issue. And all you need is some very basic knowledge of how to access and change the settings on your wireless internet router. If you're experiencing frequent Wi-Fi disconnects on your PS5, an interesting secret that you can try is disabling IPv6 on your wireless router. Many PS5 users have actually reported that doing this completely fixes the issue. To do this, simply look for the sticker on the bottom or back side of your wireless internet router to find the login instructions. Then use a smartphone, a computer, or tablet to log in using the username and password. Once you're logged in, look for a setting that says IPv6. Then switch it to disabled. If you're unsure how to change this setting on your wireless router, you can always search online for detailed instructions or a PDF user guide of your wireless router to help walk you through step by step. Next, you can try switching between the 2.4 and 5 GHz signals on your Wi-Fi internet connection. Now, most modern routers are what's called dual band, meaning that they have both 2.4 and 5 GHz signals. Now, in most cases, connecting to the 2.4 GHz band will work best for longer range, where connecting to the 5 GHz band will work best for faster speeds. Since my goal is to have the fastest speeds, I've connected my PS5 to the 5 GHz connection on my wireless router. Now, if you're experiencing slow download speeds on the PlayStation Network store, one thing you can do is change your network DNS settings to Google DNS. In many cases, this can significantly improve the download speeds for your PlayStation 5. Simply set your DNS settings to manual and type 8.8.8.8. Then set your secondary DNS settings to 8.8.4.4. Then select OK, and that's it. If you've done this correctly, your PS5 should successfully connect to the PlayStation Network. So if you're someone who's experiencing internet connection issues on your PlayStation 5, those are a few tips and secrets to help you fix the problem. Remember, if you guys enjoyed this video, to leave a like rating on the video for good luck, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.